morning. Can I order my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am, but before I take your order, do you have your menu? Is this located on the table beside your bed? Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Tina Cipres and room 314.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order now, may I take your order now?
Can I order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, orange served with cold meat, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea?
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you our orange juice? It is also under your continental breakfast. Would you like me to add it to your breakfast, ma'am?
No.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? Your order, American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charge into your room?
Just charge it to my room.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served with 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yes.
Good day, ma'am. I am Angel Aquino, your room service attendant for today. Is this Miss Nina, Cipres Nina of room 305? May I copy?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Would you like me to place your order?
No.
Would you like me to set your table for you?
No.
Would you like me to open the curtain for you?
No.
Is this the breaker okay?
Yes.
Would you like to turn the table for you?
No.
Alright, ma'am. Allow me to present your food to you. This is your order, American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Yes, those are all perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
No, I'm all good. Thank you.
Here's your bill, ma'am. May I have your signature, please?
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am. I will come back after 45 minutes to pick up the tray. Are you mailing